Hi guys, my name is Priyanshujan and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing IPO 05 question number 1. And before starting this, we are the company. We provide all type of solutions, homework solutions, any type of related issues to your studies. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen, and you have to just tell about your issues in the studies on your our WhatsApp number, and we provide all the type of solutions. You have to just paste your PDF or tell us about your issues in the studies. So now, question number 1, which is state the follow four levels at which logistic information needed and explain the main features of an integrated information system. And why is order processing regarded as a primary logistics activity? Describe the sub activities involved that every logistician should be aware of it if he is to efficiently manage the customer service. So if you need answer of these all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of questions answers, not only this course, we provide all type of other courses too. So you can thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.